gonna have to pump my brake. Oh yeah, there we go. That's better. I have to tighten that, or it's something with my hydraulics.
If I put my finger up like that, just yell something. Because I'm just checking if you're still behind me.
All right. I'm there.
Yeah. I thought you were going towards the blue. I'm like, ooh, you ready?
Well, I'm following you. All right.
No, biking.
Bikes only. So I guess I'm not allowed to walk. Oh! I'm there. Curva!
Oh shit, I forgot you
Don't
have
brake
rear
check me.
I forgot you don't have rear brakes.
Well, I do. It's just I need to pump it up.
Wait.
No, generally because
did you
I'm.
see that
no.
jump?
Yeah. What?
You want to go this way or no?
Sure. But hold on. By the way, yo, I need to tell you. I have brakes. It's just because my rear brake works, even if it's flat, and I pull it in all the way, the rear tire will slide. So just don't brake check that hard.
All right, because my brakes are just way too powerful.
Yeah, don't brake check me. I don't want to.
Oh, this is fun.
Oh yeah. Oh, curva. Oh, there we go. Getting better at tabletops. Yeah, I'm getting better. I'm getting better. Oh! Haha. Oh! Okay, sorry, that was kind of my fault. Good thing at least you stopped to the side. All right, let's go there. Oh, sorry.
I keep forgetting. I want to try this trail one.
All right. I mean, hey, nothing against it. Oh, it's hot.
That's nice.
Oh. All right, that's cool. Little jump. Oh! Wow! Oh! Okay.
Look, it's a new side.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, 'cause, you know, we have to yield. Oh, that's cool. There's some to let go above. I like this section. It's a little speedy. How do you do the whip? Whoa. Yo, Peter, how do you whip the back?
Huh?
How do you like whip the back?
You just do a bunny hop.
And you go like to the side a little bit, like you whip it.
Well, I push to the side. Don't try that. Don't whip it. I just learned how to whip.
How do you do it though? I'm not gonna learn it, but how do you?
You just put more weight on the right when you do a bunny hop. Like you just push the pedal towards the right. Like wing it.
Oh.
You know what I mean?
You know, like,
But you gotta.
oh, like that?
Yeah. Yeah, you're doing it.
All right, let's go. Tell me how good.
I love those jumps. I hope you're getting close.
Like that? Hold on, let me.
Right now. Yo, let's go this way. Wait, stop. Let's go back.
Okay, sure. But wait, did I do it well?
Yeah, you did it well.
I'm not gonna do it on the big ones, just the small ones. Alright.
Did you get any footage of me jumping and winging it? No,
Yeah.
you're probably good. Yeah.
I'm recording the whole time.
Ready?
Let's go. 10, 3, 2, 1. Alright. Oh, that's cool. Oh, double black. That's a double. Oh.
That's a black.
And that's a double black.
Let's go back.
This way, I guess?
You gotta find a blue.
This way, I think.
Alright. You ready for a blue trail?
Yeah, we've done it.
Huh?
Yeah, we've done it. Let's just do it.
Alright. Try outside.
We're not gonna high tide it on this one. Oh! Oh, okay. Whoa! Oh, okay. Yeah, this is difficult. Oh! Yeah! Yes! Almost. I know. Got it. Whoa. Got it. Whoa, I'm going too fast. I'm gonna wait here for like 5 seconds. That's cool. Go. I don't want to hit you though. Go ahead a little bit. There we go. Whoa, fuck. Holy fuck. I was not ready for that. That's why you don't go fast where you don't know. Yo, I was gonna send it, but at the last moment my instinct told me don't send it, and I would have crashed.
Alright,
if I
you
sent
feel
it.
this trail's too technical where you don't have fun and jumps?
Not exactly. It's all right.
But is it feel technical?
A little bit. I do want to try something new though.
Alright, so we'll stick with...
I like it, but I want to try something new as well.
Alright.
Oh. Okay. Oh. Oh, the tunnel. Got it.
Here's the jump.
Oh wow, that's humongous.
You know why?
Oh
this
yeah,
jump
cause see,
sucks?
look, you go over there.
Yeah.
So you go up there, and then there's a huge drop, and then
You know
there's.
why the jump sucks? See that little ledge? That
Yeah.
flat ledge? People bum it like that.
Yeah.
And then they go face first.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I see it. Go ahead, go. Yo, go.
Alright. You like this trail?
Yeah.
You're gonna hit the middle board, okay? Or the small board.
Middle. Let's go middle. Why not? I don't see why not. Oh. All right, middle board. Okay. Oh, actually, I'm gonna go small. Or actually, no. Oh, that's good. I gained confidence in that one.
Hit the big one.
What?
Don't hit the big one.
Okay, got it. Oh, I love this section. I liked it.